Hello everyone. Good to Excellence wishes you a very happy new year. 2021 was an eventful year for Good to Excellence. Establishing ourselves in online training avenue, starting a YouTube channel and providing you a variety of lists to walk you from good to excellence. Recalling our list here, playlist here, vocabulary magic to understand the meaning and usage of confusing words, English phrases to polish your language and conveying your message in a proper and appropriate way, connecting words or transition words to improve your cohesion and coherence in speaking and writing skills. Learning English through Marathi made English learning easier for our Marathi speaking learners. Shorts, you know the common errors in English and you also know how to overcome it in only 1 minute of time. Quite an interesting journey. Thank you. Seriously, thank you so much for your support till now. Now it's a new year, new chapter of our life. It's time to write. It's time to pen down an incredible story. So, let's join our hands together. We are here to help you in your journey to success. So, come, learn and excel in your life. Once again, Good to Excellence wishes you a courage to dream big and strength to achieve it. Happy New Year!